we decided to get into the school and tie up with DPS because we wanted to go for our overall development of the child. The academics, the extracurricular activities, the overall development of the child is what is the need of the hour. That is the reason why we gave 8.5 acres as a campus here to DPS Lava. We have facilities of the state of the art. We have the cricket ground, we have the swimming pool, we have the basketball court, tennis court, and the academics is also taken care of in great detail.
Our motto is service before self. It constantly reminds every dipsite to put the well-being of others prior to his own and serve selflessly and graciously. Our vision is to provide the best possible education to every student. DPS Lava is geared up to take on the challenge of the future head-on. We strive to encourage our children to excel not only at academics but also as a responsible citizen of tomorrow.
Our lesson plans are designed to emphasize more on experiential learning and to have answers to the questions onto how, what, when and why. A hands-on activity helps us to reach out to the children and make it more interesting through illustrations, experiments, audio and visuals.
The subject enrichment activities, group presentations, lab experiments, puzzles and field trips make learning fun. I look forward to hanging out with my friends, playing my favorite sport and learning something new every day at school.
Curriculum is planned in such a way that it gives equal opportunity to all the students of the school for their overall development.
Learning music helps me become a confident performer. It also helps me keep my mind fresh. It de-stresses me, and that is the reason I love music.
I am a state table tennis player. I play in under 14 category. The school coach helps with tips and strategy. During the sporting period, I play matches that helps to improve my stamina and make my game better.
I love to dance. I dance the best when I feel the music. I have been in the dance club from the day I joined DPS Lava. Since then, I have learned both contemporary and classical dance forms. Our dance teacher has something new and exciting planned for every club meeting.
I help children realize their true potential, and counseling, as far as I am concerned, is nothing but helping people help themselves. So we help the children with behavioral issues, work out interpersonal conflicts, and also deal with personal struggles.
The change which I observe in my child is like he has become more independent right from the beginning. I guess the credit goes to the teaching methodology which has been applied and utilizing by the school, what we call it as a Bloom's taxonomy, where these young lads have been made to understand the concept, and analysis is done on the basis of creativity made by them.
My kids have been in the school since 2 years now. This is their second academic session. The entire staff is dedicated in discovering the inner strength of the children. They nurture the environment so well that the children's self-confidence bloomed like never before.
At DPS Lava, students are nurtured such that they become passionate, intrinsic, and lifelong learners. Each student will mature into a global, responsible citizen who will add value to our country and community.